Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Plants vs Zombies mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add another profile within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Plants vs Zombies on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you will see your currently selected profile at the top left corner. You can just tap on this option and then tap on Change Profile. Now within this page, you will see the Create a New User option, which you can click on in order to create your new user. Just enter your preferred username and then press the enter button. And now this new profile will be chosen as your default profile. You can switch these profile by simply tapping on them and going into the change profile menu. Then just choose your desired profile and tap on OK. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new profile on the Plants vs Zombies game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.